Lesson 1. Topic: Factors. Theme: Numbers and numerators. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify factors of given numbers. For instance, 12 and 24. What number or numbers exactly divide these two numbers? Don't find it difficult. Firstly, what is the meaning of divide? For example, numbers divide 12 if they can be multiplied by other numbers to get 12. What do we mean by this? For example, 3 and 4 divide 12 because 3 times 4 is 12. Another example, 2 and 5 divide 10 because 2 times 5 equals 10. Back to our first question, 12 and 24. What number or numbers exactly divide these two numbers? Numbers that can divide 12. Answer: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Because 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Numbers that can divide 24. Answer: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 24. Because 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24, and so on. In order to know more about this, you should know what are factors. Today, we will learn about factors. What are factors and how can we identify them? Factors are numbers that divide another number. In other words, they go into another number without a remainder. A number can have many factors. If a number divides another number without a remainder, that number is a factor. For example, 3 and 4 divide 12 because 3 times 4 equals 12. For example, the factors of 50 are factors: 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. The factors of 50 can be multiplied to get 50. 1 times 50 equals 50. 2 times 25 equals 50. 5 times 10 equals 50. When 50 is divided by any of its factor, the answer is a whole number. For example, 50 divided by 1 equals 50. 50 divided by 2 equals 25, and so on. Another example, 20. Name any number that will give a product of 20. Answer: 1 times 20 equals 20. 2 times 10 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. When 20 is divided by any of its factors, the result is a whole number. For example, 20 divided by 1 equals 20. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. These numbers can divide 20 without a remainder. Therefore, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20 are factors of 20. Another example, 60. Name all numbers that will give a product of 60. Answer: 1 times 60 equals 60. 2 times 30 equals 60. 3 times 20 equals 60, and so on. These numbers can divide 60 without a remainder. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, and so on are factors of 60. Try to recall factors of numbers from memory. If needed, a multiplication table can be used to identify the factors. For example, find each 50 that occur in the multiplication table and find its factor at the start of the column and row. Exercise. Find the factors of the following numbers: A. 34, B. 13, C. 30, D. 28, E. 64. Pause video here, try them, answers are next. Solution. Consider each number and list all of its factors. A. Factors of 34: 1, 2, 17, 3, 34. B. Factors of 13: 1, 13. C. Factors of 30: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Lesson summary. Factors are numbers that divide another number. In other words, they go into another number without a remainder. A number can have many factors.